Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm again here with Nestle cerelac nutriBiscuits. So these are the nutriBiscuits from brand known as Nestle cerelac nutriBiscuit, and it is from 12 months. If your baby has completed 1 year, that means 12 months, you can start giving him or her these biscuits. They are red fruits and it is good in iron, B1, calcium, as you can see it's all written over here. And what it has, rich in cerelac and milk, specially designed for your baby. So this is written, and these are the kinds of biscuit you'll find inside it. The Nestle company cerelac is coming with so many other chocolates kind of biscuits for babies. So go and try them and make your baby feel so hungry about them. What else is written over here? They are tasty, no preservatives is added in it, fortified, right texture, melts and in the mouth, means there will be no lumps kind of thing inside the mouth of baby. It can swallow easily and it will melt easily. Easy to hold for small hands, means biscuit is not in that big size that baby can't hold, so it's good. And all the nutritional information is written over here. What you need to know, everything is written over here. So let's open it. Over here, as you can see, there is a sign of zip. So it contains a zip lock, so that means you can't tear it from this side. You need to open it from the above. Just cut with the help of knife and all, and the zip lock will open. So there are the biscuits. Hope you could see. Yeah, the yummy. The color is beautiful. See, isn't it beautiful? Nice. The perfect match for babies to eat. So let's taste it and see how it tastes. Very nice. The cerelac, the babies who do not eat cerelac, in a liquid and wetty form, they can have these biscuits because these are very yum. And frankly saying, guys, even elders can also eat. It is very yummy. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos, and subscribe. Bye.